One commerce student requested that she wanted to hold a type of counseling regarding career after BCom. Hence, I create this video. After completing graduation in commerce in India or abroad, there are various career options available to you. Some of the common career paths you can pursue include: number one, accountant. You can become a chartered accountant or a certified public accountant and work in accounting firms, government agencies, or private companies. Second, financial analyst. You can work as a financial analyst for investment banks, consulting firms, or corporations, analyzing financial data and providing recommendations on investments and financial strategies. Third, financial planner. You can become a certified financial planner and help individuals and businesses plan their financial futures, including retirement planning, investment strategies, and estate planning. Number 4, auditor. You can work as an auditor for accounting firms, government agencies, or corporations, examining financial records to ensure compliance with laws and regulations. Tax consultant. You can specialize in tax accounting and help individuals and businesses navigate complex tax laws and regulations. Number 6, business development manager. You can work in business development, helping companies identify new opportunities for growth and expansion. Number 7, entrepreneur. You can start your own business and take advantage of your commerce education to manage the financial aspects of your company. Number 8, banking and finance. You can work in banking or finance roles such as a loan officer, investment banker, or financial manager. Overall, there are plenty of career opportunities available for commerce graduates both in India and abroad. It's important to choose a career path that aligns with your interests and skills, and to continue to enhance your knowledge and skills through further education and certifications. Thank you.